Hi everyone, welcome to a new week. We're going to continue doing books on rain. This one is called 5 Little Raindrops Falling from the Sky. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. One splashed into a butterfly. The robin told the blue jay, and the blue jay said, "No more raindrops falling from the sky." 4 little raindrops spinning through the air. One woke up a big brown bear. Don't want to wake up a bear. The beaver told the rabbit, and the rabbit said, "No more raindrops spinning through the air." The rabbit, look, he's coming out of his hole. 3 little raindrops swirling all around. One sank into the muddy ground. Look how dirty it is. Yucky. The turtle told the duckling, and the duckling said, "No more raindrops swirling all around." Two little raindrops blowing in the breeze. One fell beneath 2 towering trees. The squirrel told the chipmunk, and the chipmunk said, "No more raindrops blowing in the breeze." One little raindrop tumbling toward a trail bounced and twirled and landed on a snail. The beetle told the cricket, and the cricket said, "No more raindrops tumbling toward a trail." The rain kept falling. The eagle took a look. 5 little raindrops trickled toward a brook. The brook kept flowing. It was like a dream. 5 little raindrops approached a sparkling stream. The stream branched off just a little sliver. 5 little raindrops headed for the river. The river's windy journey ended at the sea. 5 little raindrops as happy as can be. See them here? 5 little raindrops. The sun came out. The weather hot and dry. Lots of tiny droplets rose up to the sky. Waiting in the cloud for the next time when 5 little raindrops fall from the sky again. The end. That was a cute book. I like that one. I think that was a new one for us. So I will see you tomorrow for another book about rain. Bye.